Next one is called the segmentation. This is very interesting. This is for a little bit more technical, but I hope that it is like more funny. No, it's more like enjoyable if you look at it and see that how it works. First, I will read for you, and then we will discuss this diagram. Okay. So in the segmentation, as the name suggested, it is you have to divide it. You have to segment it. Take segmentation from the memory addresses, parts of it, or like juz. Okay, segmentation means like juziyat or juz over there. So you divide a program into multiple address spaces or segments over there. Each space has a piece has a logical unity exhibiting a relationship among all its codes and the data values. So such as segments for the code of a single procedure or data of an array is there. Okay. And then we have like allow a program to have a multiple pieces with a multiple access, right? So different programs can change the pieces of program at a different time over there. So we need a virtual address consists of two parts. Okay, so there is a virtual addressing is done. One is called segment name. Okay, the first thing, and then there is called offset within the segment. So offset means, when I say offset, it means address. Okay, so one is called offset and another is called the segment name over there, right? So OS keeps mapping from segment name to its base physical address using the segment table over there. Yes, yeah, this is the segment table. Why we call it segment table? Because it has two things. One is called segment name. For example, this one. For example, this program, the main, like for example in C++ or Java, there is a program starting with the main. Then is like another segment is A. There's another sub function, and there is a data segment. Okay, so all are segments. This is the segment name. Okay. For example, this will be executed when, and this will be executed when. And then we have offset. Offset means address. So this is address C. So where is the address? So the main will be executed in the C. Alright. This will be executed in the G. This sub will be executed in the A. H will be executed in the H over there, right? So now look at this one and see the example they have given you for this one. So they combine it. Okay. So they take this one data segment, though. So the command is applied. Fetch is what? Fetch is a very basic command for the operating system to fetch the file. So before, now you click on the file and it gets open. Before it was not a click. You need to write a command. Fetch file number, for example, midterm exam. Okay, so they fetch the midterm exam and then they open for you the exam, right? So the fetch command was used over there. So these are the logical programs over there. So the main, you just like put it here, okay, and you assign that in which part of the memory. This is called memory RAM. Okay, so in the RAM, which part of the RAM I will execute. So you divide the RAM into different parts starting from the zero A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so and this is my program. This is my whole program. I want to execute this program into the memory. So what I will do, I will divide the memory into the different segments over there. So for the security purpose and for the good operational purpose. So I will tell there is a segment table for me which helps me to coordinate with the memory over there. So my program, my operating system or my program, the main will be here, and I will tell there will be a space assigned to C. So the main will be executed into C over there, right? And similarly, this one A, this will be executed here with the G. So it will go to the G over there, and this one sub will be executed into the A, and the data seg will be executed into the H over there. So this is that how it works.